Free-falling bodies. In the absence of air resistance, it is found out that all bodies, regardless of tier sizes and weight, fall with the semi-acceleration at the same point in the Earth's surface, and the radius covered is very small compared to the radius of the Earth. The acceleration remains constant throughout the fall. Since those bodies fall under the action of gravitational force of the Earth, then the acceleration will be presented by g, or gravitational acceleration, which is g is equal to 9.81 meter per second squared, or 30.2 foot per second squared. Here are the formulas of free-falling bodies. H is equal to 1/2 gt raised to 2. V squared is equal to gh. And last, v is equal to gt. Where h is the height traveled, v is the velocity, g is the acceleration due to gravity, and t is the time taken. Example problem 1. John throws the ball straight upward, and after 1 second it reaches its maximum height. Then it does free fall motion, which takes 2 seconds. Calculate the maximum height and velocity of the ball before it crashes the ground. Given: time when ball thrown is 1 second. Time when ball reached the ground is 2 seconds. Required: velocity and maximum height. Equation: v is equal to gt, h is equal to 1/2 gt raised to 2. Solution: velocity is equal to gravity due to acceleration multiplied by time. V is equal to 9.81 meter per second squared multiplied by 1 second. Velocity is equal to 9.81 meter per second when ball is thrown. Velocity is equal to negative gt. V is equal to negative 9.81 meter per second squared multiplied by 2 seconds. The velocity is negative 19.62 meter per second when ball reached the ground. Height is equal to 1/2 gt raised to 2. H is equal to 1/2 9.81 meter per second squared multiplied by 2 seconds squared. Height is equal to 19.62 meter. Example problem 2. An object is dropped from 10 meter high. Find the time of motion and velocity when it hits the ground. Given: height is 10 meter. G is 9.81 meter per second squared. Required: time of motion and velocity when it hits the ground. Equation: h is equal to 1/2 gt raised to 2. V is equal to gt. Solution: height is equal to 1/2 gt raised to 2. 10 meter is equal to 1/2 9.81 meter per second squared multiplied by time squared. Time is 1.48 seconds. Velocity is equal to gt. V is equal to 9.81 meter per second squared multiplied by 1.48 seconds. Velocity is 14.52 meter per seconds.